Welcome to Community Legal Education Association's Everyday Law video series. These videos contain general legal information only and not specific legal advice. The information presented in these videos is about Canadian laws where federal legislation applies and Manitoba laws where provincial legislation applies. For legal advice about your specific situation, speak to a lawyer.
If a person has a criminal record, what effect does that have on their life, and how long does it last?
The effects of a criminal record can last a lifetime. It can affect a person's ability to get or keep a job or membership in a professional association, and can even affect a person's ability to do volunteer work. It can also interfere with a person's ability to travel outside the country. A criminal record can also have other negative effects on a person's ability to get certain types of licenses or security clearances, and may restrict people from other opportunities they wish to pursue. For example, a criminal record search is required for the adoption process in Canada. Many employers will do criminal record checks before they hire someone. Some employers will do these checks on their employees on a regular basis. Under Manitoba law, it is discrimination to fire an employee just for having a criminal record, but in some cases it might be allowed if the employee's record would directly affect their job. For example, if an employee of a personal care home has an assault conviction on their record, their employer may be able to fire them, even if they've been in the job for a long time. This is because they might pose a threat to the people they are supposed to be caring for. People can apply for a record suspension, sometimes also called a pardon, after waiting a set period of time after completing a sentence. A sentence could be the payment of a fine, jail time, or probation. The waiting period for summary conviction offenses is 5 years, and for indictable offenses it's 10 years. It's not necessary to apply for a record suspension on a charge that was withdrawn or dismissed, since they are not recorded as convictions. The RCMP is supposed to remove conditional and absolute discharges from records after a certain period of time. A record suspension may also be granted by the National Parole Board under the Criminal Records Act. This form of pardon does not erase a conviction or finding of guilt, but it does indicate that after a thorough investigation, the applicant is considered to be of good behavior. A record suspension removes some, but not all, of the legal disqualifications that a person may suffer because of a criminal record. Provincial law restrictions on membership in professional organizations, licensing, and insurance are examples of disqualifications which might not be removed. Also, record suspensions apply only to records kept at the federal level. However, many law enforcement agencies cooperate by restricting their records once notified that a pardon has been granted.